Let us start with class 8th mathematics practice set 1.3. See what is the question given. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. In the previous video, we have already seen what is decimal form, what is rational numbers. So let us convert here the decimals into the rational numbers into decimal form. So let us start with the first question. Question 1 is 9 upon 37. Here, before we convert this into decimal form, we will write the table of 37. The denominators numbers table will, I have made it ready for you, the table of 37. You can make it at your own as you know how to make the tables. Okay, so let us start. And before we start, let me tell you this. In the previous classes, we already have learned how to divide the numbers. And the number 9, the number with which we divide is called as divisor. And the number which is to divide is called as dividend. The remaining number after division, the number which is remain is called remainder, and this upper numbers are called as quotient. So divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. In this form only we have to divide this. So I have made it ready, the table of 37. So let us divide this. Nine is to divide with 37. Make it ready, the table of 37. Now let us start. This 9 is lesser than 37. In this case, what we have to do? 37 zeros are 0. Now deduct this. If 0 is deducted from 9, 9 will remain. Now this 37 and 9. Again 9 is lesser than 37. So what we do? We put a point here and we add 0 to 9. So now this becomes 90. 90, we will use the table. Either we want 90 or lesser than 90. I cannot see 90 here, so I'll take lesser than 90, that is 74. 74 means 1s are 2s are. So 37 2s are 74. 37 2s are 74. Now 74 will be deducted out of 90. 16 will remain. Again 16 and 37 we have to divide it, but 16 is lesser than 37. So what we do? We have to put a 0 here. To put a 0 we need a point here, but already the point was added here, so I'll directly put a 0. I'll directly add a 0 here to the 16. Now it becomes 160. So we will find 160 in 37's table, either 160 or lesser than 160. So 160 is not there. 148 is lesser than 160. See, 148 is at what place? 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 4s are. So 4s are 37, 4s are 148. 37 4s are 148. Now deduct this. 148 will be deducted from 160. 12 remains. Again 12 is lesser than 37, so I need a 0 here. Point is already there, so put a 0. It becomes 120. Again I have to find 120 in 37's table, either 120 or lesser than 120. So 120 is not there. I can find 111 lesser than 120. So 111 at which place? 1s are, 2s are, 3s are. So 37 threes are 111. Deduct this now. See how much remains? Remain is 9. If I find 9 here, I can see I had started with 9 only. It means if I divide further, I will get these numbers, right? So the process will be unending. Therefore, I'll stop here. The answer for this will be, the question was 9 upon 37. So the answer will be this, that is 0.243. And I know the further answers will be 243, 243, 243. Therefore, I'll put this sign to show that this process is unending and the group of digits will be repeated, which is also called non-terminating recurring decimal form. Okay, so this will be the solution for the first question. So let us start with the second. Next is 18 upon 42. See, 18 upon 42, I can reduce this fraction if I can. So I will reduce it 18 upon 42. How will I reduce it? I will find a number in the table of which these two numbers can be found. So 6 threes are 18 and 6 sevens are 42. So 6 threes are 18 and 6 sevens are 42. What will I do now? This 6 and 6 will be cancelled. Remain is 3 upon 7. Now this will be easy to divide. So the fraction is became 3 upon 7. I will divide it in this way. 3 and 7. Here 3 will become the dividend and 7 will become the divisor. I'll make this 7 tables ready. You make it at your own. Let us divide. 3 is lesser than 7. So for this, what will I do? I need a point here. I need to make this number the bigger one. Okay, so 7 zeros are 0. Deducted. Remain is 3. Now put a point here and add a 0 in this. It became 30 now. 30 means greater than 7. So I will find 30 in 7's table, either 30 or lesser than 30. So let us find 28. This is 35. 35 means greater than 30. I don't need greater number. I need either 30 or lesser than 30. So 28 is lesser than 30. Say at which place? 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 4s are. So 7 4s are 28. Now deduct this. 28 will be deducted out of 30. Remain will be 2. Again the 2 is lesser than 7. So what will I do? I will put a 0 here. To put a 0, I need a point. Point is already given. So put a 0 here. It becomes 20. So either 20 in this table or lesser than 20. This is 21. 14 I'll take. So 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. So 7 2s are 14. Now deduct again. 20 minus 14 will be 6. Again we'll add a 0. Point is already there. Add a 0. It becomes 60. So 60, either 60 or lesser than 60. This is 56. This is 63. 63 is greater. I'll not take 63. Instead, I'll take 56. Look at what place the 56 comes. 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are, 6s are, 7s are, 8s are. So 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Again deduct it. See how much remains? It remains 4. 60 minus 56 will be 4. 4 is lesser than 7. Again I'll put a 0. The point is already there. I have put here 40. It became 40. So again find 40 or lesser than 40. This is 49. This is 42. I need lesser than 40. That means 35. So 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Deducted. 5 remains. 5 is lesser than 7, so make it 50. Point is already there, so I put 0 here. It became 50. Now either 50 or lesser than 50. 49. Okay, so 49. 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are, 6s are, 7s are. 7s are 7, 7s are 49. So 7s are 49. 50 minus 49 remains 1. We have deducted it, remained 1. So 1 is lesser than 7. Again put a 0. Point was already there. I have added a 0 here. It became 10. 7 1s are 7. Will take 7 1s are 7. Now after deduction, here the remainder will be 3. You can observe this 3. We got 3 as remainder and the question was 3 only. So when these numbers are common, we'll stop dividing further, because in answer further we will get the repeated numbers only. So we will stop here. The answer for this question is this only, 0.428571. So what we'll write? We'll write this as a question and this as answer. So write it here. 18 upon 42 is equal to 0.428571 and this symbol to show the same numbers will be repeated. Okay, so in this way we have solved a second question. We have found the decimal form of the given fraction of the given rational numbers. I have divided practice set 1.3 into two parts. In the part 1 we have solved question 1 and question 2. In part 2 the further questions will be solved. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.